How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most versatile and newest and most powerful 12-volt fridges on the market. This is the Bushman 12-volt 30-litre drawer fridge freezer. Whether you're heading off-road, camping in the Aussie outback, or just need a reliable 12-volt fridge for your setup, this beast has got you covered. We've installed it in our canopy and it's an absolute game changer. So we're going to go over the install, how easy it was, and some of those features that just make it stand out from the rest of those fridges on the market. So installing the fridge was really simple. We do have a bit of a drop down from the edge of our canopy, which means we did need to prop it up a little bit for it to easily slide above this part here. The good thing is, once we had our base, it was really straightforward. The Bushman fridge comes with 4 little L brackets, which means once we had our base, we screwed those L brackets in and then lined it up, placed the fridge on top, and simply bolted it in on the sides on all 4 points, meaning that it's really strong and solid and won't go anywhere. It was definitely one of the most easiest installs of a fridge that I've ever done, and what made it even better was the 12-volt was so simple. It simply comes with a pre-wired Anderson plug, and I already had a plug there ready for it to go straight into. So in a matter of minutes, I had the fridge on. Depending on where you're installing it, it might take 2 people to lift it into place, but once it's in, it's super solid. The good thing is, it also comes with great runners that are really strong and high quality, and it comes with a slam latch. So you know, once it's closed, it's not going to open while you're driving around. Another reason we went with this fridge freezer was that it actually comes with a 7-year compressor warranty, which means you know that it's made to endure those tough Australian environments. So what really sets this fridge apart is its next level build quality. Bushman didn't cut any corners. We're talking stainless steel components, a heavy duty series compressor, and a design that's meant to survive in the toughest conditions. It's not just a fridge, it's designed for heavy duty global trucking standards, which means it's ready for whatever the Aussie roads can throw at you. Now let's quickly talk about its performance. So the fridge delivers an -18 deep freezing even when it's 45 degrees outside, which is perfect for keeping things like ice cream, drinks, or frozen meals on hand. If you need it as a fridge instead, it'll keep things at 4 degrees Celsius when it's 50 degrees outside. So whether it's ice cold drinks or long-term freezing, this fridge really gets the job done. A big thing for us was how efficient this fridge is. Surprisingly, it's really efficient. So Bushman has added some clever features to keep energy consumption really low, like the super thick insulation, the dual cross flow heat extraction fans, and a wire-on tube heat exchanger for better airflow in those dusty conditions. So whether you're running as a fridge or a freezer, it's designed to go easy on your battery. So for example, you're looking at an average of around 0.5 amp hours per hour when running in the fridge at 4 degrees in mild conditions. Even on those really hot days, it keeps energy use reasonable, so you don't need to stress about power drain. So this isn't just a fridge, it's really a solution for you serious travelers. Use it as a second fridge for the drinks, or a dedicated freezer to stock up from those really long trips. It's built for the outback, but honestly, it's really just as handy on those weekend getaways or even daily use. And with the Bushman's 7-year warranty, you've got a peace of mind that this fridge here, it's gonna really last. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for a reliable, a powerful, and an efficient 12-volt fridge, the Bushman Drawer Fridge Freezer is really worth checking out.